After receiving the device, check if the package is intact. If there is any damage, please contact Reward immediately. Open the package and take out the centrifuge and accessories. Accessories include user manual, easy operation guide, etc., power cord, rotor, grease. Precautions before installation. Appearance and structure: front view, centrifuge lid, display screen, power indicator, USB port, emergency unlocking switch on the side of the device, to the back view of device, RS-232 interface, RJ45 Ethernet port, power switch, power socket. Connect the power cord and switch on the device. After the self-test is completed, it will automatically enter the main interface. Click to open the lid. Then we needed to install the rotor. Hold up the rotor. Install the rotor vertically on the motor shaft. Confirm tightness by hearing a click sound. Rotor model is displayed on the screen. That means the installation is successful. After installation, it should be left for more than 4 hours before first use. Switch on the device, enter the main interface. Function areas have been indicated in the picture. Click on the speed, temperature or time to enter the program setting interface. We can modify the current program. We can choose the speed in RPM or XG. Set the temperature. Select acceleration, gears 1 to 9, and deceleration, gears 0 to 9. Select the timing mode. Start timing from the very beginning of the program, or start timing when speed reaches 95% of the set speed. Set the speed. Speed range is determined by rotor type. Set the centrifugal time. Click on plus to add stages. Click on minus to delete stages. Different speeds and times can be set for different stages. Click OK to save the program, or click Save as to save the program in the program list. Click on Start to run the program. Speed and temperature display in real time. Progress is displayed in real time. It will stop automatically when the program has finished. Or click on Stop to stop the program earlier. Click Short to start instant centrifuge. The device will run at maximum speed or set speed. Click again to stop running. Click on Pre-cooling to start quick cooling. The device will run at a low speed and start to cool down. It will stop automatically when reaches the set temperature. Or click again to stop earlier. Click on Open Lid. The lid will pop open automatically. Click on Account to log in or log out Administrator account. Click to enter Program interface. We can see the saved programs. Click Add to add a new program. Select a program and click Call to load it. We can search for programs by name. We can filter the program based on the type of rotor. Click Edit to edit the program. Click More. We can rename, delete, import, export programs. Click Click to enter the log list to view the operation log. Operation log records every operation. Alarm log records alarm messages. Rotor log, to view rotor operation history and lifetime. Run charts, record the speed and temperature curves for each run. After inserting a USB flash drive, the logs can be selected and exported to the USB flash drive. Click Setting to enter the setting interface. Click Mode Setting to set Auto Open Lid, Auto Sleep, Continuous Cooling, and we can set the instant centrifugation to run at the set speed, the max speed. Scheduling. In the scheduling interface, we can set regular time to turn on or off pre-cooling function. Set the weekday and time, and the temperature. Click Save. Click to change password. Click Language. We can choose Chinese or English. Click Brightness. We can adjust the screen brightness by dragging the slider. Click Date and Time. We can modify the date and time. Click Volume Setting. We can adjust the volume level by dragging the slider. And set the volume pause duration. Click User Manual to view the operation guide. Click About to view the working time and master version, etc. Maintenance is for manufacturer's personnel only. Enter the main interface. Click Speed, Temperature or Time to enter the program setting interface. Select Rotation Speed Unit. Set the temperature. Set the acceleration and deceleration gear. Set the timing progress. Set the speed and time. Add stages as needed for experiments. Click OK or Save As. Back to main interface. Click Pre-cooling to get to set temperature. Wait till the pre-cooling program is over. Click Open Lid. Place samples in the rotor symmetrically. Please note, the weight of two sides must be in balance. If it is needed, we can add a tube with water to balance the two sides. Put on the rotor lid, lock it tightly. Close the lid. Click Start to run the program. After the program is over, click to open the lid. Take out the samples. Please note, leave the lid open for at least 24 hours after use. Let the condensation evaporate completely. For more details and operation, please refer to the user manual.